Good morning, class. As yesterday, we have studied about various types of pollution which take place in around our environment. And today, we are going to learn about various types of globes and maps of our Earth. So, let's start with the chapter. The Earth, our home, is the only planet in the solar system where life is possible. The presence of water, land, and air on Earth gives it a unique position. Water occupies 70% of the total surface of the Earth, while the land masses occupy only 29%. When astronauts first saw the Earth from space, it appeared blue in color, so the Earth is often called the blue planet. As you know, the Earth is spherical in shape. The size of the Earth is so large that it is impossible to study it as a whole. So, to understand the Earth and its features, we depend on globes and maps. So, we know that the Earth is very large in shape. So, we cannot observe the Earth as we can learn through the globe. Globe is a miniature of the Earth where we can locate various countries with respect to India. So let's learn some about the globe. The globe. The globe is a small model of the Earth. It shows the accurate shape and location of the continents, countries, oceans, and seas. It gives a clear picture of our planet. A small globe can be carried around easily. However, it has certain limitations. While a small globe can be handled easily, it gives very little information. Big globes, on the other hand, are difficult to carry. Moreover, the globes are of little use. When we want to study a part of the earth's surface like a country or a state, a map overcomes the limitations of a globe. Maps. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Since maps are drawn on a flat surface, they can be carried everywhere easily. A map can give detailed information about the continents, countries, states, etc. However, maps have limitations. As the surface of the earth is curved, it cannot be represented on a flat surface like that of a map accurately. The science of map making is called cartography, and the people who make maps are called cartographers. In the given picture, we can see the map of the world where we can see the entire world is shown in a flat surface, but in actual the earth is not flat, it is round in shape. So as a result of which maps are maps cannot show the whole earth whole surface in a single frame. So here comes the use of globe. In the globe we can determine all the countries and their location as it is. There are various types of maps. Some are physical, political, thematic. So let's start with the Types of maps. A book of maps is called atlas. An atlas contains various types of maps. Some of these are as follow. First is physical map. The physical features of an area like mountains, plains, oceans, rivers are shown through these maps. So the physical maps are those maps where we can see the geographic condition or the geographical boundaries of a particular nation. In political maps, these maps depict the boundaries of countries, states, capital and important cities. In political map, we can see the various political boundaries like state, countries, district we can see in political maps. Third is thematic maps. Distribution of population, rainfall, crops, forests, etc. are shown through these maps. Elements of maps. A map can be studied accurately with the help of certain basic elements which are as follows. So these are those elements which are useful in order to determine the various positions in a map. First is directions. All maps show directions with an upright arrow mark in the upper right hand corner. The tip of the arrow is marked with the letter N, which indicate the north direction. Its opposite, which is the bottom of the map, is the south. To its right is east and to its left is west. Second element of the map is scale. It is impossible to show the actual size of the earth on the map. So scales are used in maps. A scale is a ratio between the actual area and the distance shown on the map. For example, a centimeter or an inch on the map can represent by a m or a km on the land. Suppose the distance between two cities is 500 kilometers, then it can be represented on the map by a smaller unit like 1 centimeter. It would be written as 1 centimeter is equal to 500 kilometers. As I told you before, that globe is a miniature of Earth. In the same way, map is also the miniature of a country. So, in order to calculate the distance from two cities or distance between two states, we can assume 1 centimeter is equal to 500 or 1000 kilometers. In this way, the calculation become easily. The third one is colors. There is a common color scheme that is followed in all maps. Mountains are shown in dark brown. Green is used for plains while orange or yellow is used to show deserts. Water bodies are shown in blue color. In the given picture, you can see that various things are which are located in the map are determined by various colors. For example, water bodies are represented with the help of blue color. In the same way, the land part of the earth of the country is determined with a brown color. And also green color represent the forest or the green areas. So in the given map, we can see the mountains in brown color and rivers in blue color. The fourth element of the map is signs and symbols. All the features like mountains, rivers, plateaus, railway lines, wells cannot be shown on a map. So different symbols are used to represent them. While making a map, sign and symbol play an important role because we can't draw railway lines or plateaus or well. So instead of drawing them, we use various sign and symbols like small town, city, river, hospital, police, fire station, park, road. So these are the various symbols which are generally used while making a map. Now here is a quick review of the chapter. The shape of the earth is spherical. A model of the earth is known as a globe. There are four main directions. People who design maps are known as cartographers. Some new terms where you see in this chapter are atlas and symbol. Now atlas is a book of maps, symbol is a sign with a meaning. For better understanding, I kept a video in which you can understand the basic differences between map and a globe. See, this is India. So if you look carefully, you will see the ocean in blue color and also the forest in green color. As we know that earth is round, so if we go around to other countries like South Africa, then we cannot see India. So here comes the use of globe as to locate various countries with respect to other countries. But if we want to locate the particular country, then here comes the use of map. And rest, on the other hand, we can use globe as to represent whole earth. Thank you.